Snailax sent me this beautiful foot massager for my review. And this is not just a foot massager. This is also great for calves and also for your arms, which I'm going to show you with some demonstrations in a minute. A couple of things to show you. As you can see, it's kind of propped up. So I will show you there is this little bar back here, really easy to move about. So this makes it easy to carry it, but also if you're then going to be doing your calves or different positions, you want to be able to angle it so that you can actually position it properly depending on how you're sitting. So I'm going to lay it flat just so that I can go through everything with you and so I can see. One of the best parts obviously is that you've got this remote and it is magnetized, so it sits in there. Not super strong, but enough that, you know, if you're not tossing it about, it will stay put where it is. So obviously you're kind of like, why do I need a remote? Well, if you're sitting there and you've got your feet going, your calves, and you know you don't want to be bending down and pushing buttons, now you can just use the remote, which I think is fantastic. So really easy. You've got your vibration, you've got compression, you've got knead, and you've got heat. So simple to use. Obviously, you're just going to go ahead and turn it on, and right away, I'm sure you can probably hear that, and it's starting to, you know, fill up with air with the compression. It's vibrating right on the bottom here. This is where it's kneading all of the little massage balls. And then, of course, what you would do is you're just going to click through here. So this one, your vibration, you've got your on and off. Your compression, you've got low, medium, and high, and you just click the button to go through it. Same thing with the knead. Go through, and I'm definitely someone who likes everything on high. I'm just going to slip my arms in here real quick. You know, I absolutely love Snailax. They do such a fantastic job. They definitely have all kinds of different like massagers, but I love this one just because it is so versatile. So it is, yes, of course, for your feet, for your legs, but man, this feels really good on my arms too. And as I said, really easy to adjust and easy to push the buttons. I'm laughing because now I'm just thinking like, oh, my arms are trapped in here and I can't push any buttons, but you know what? It's kind of good being stuck in here, then I can't do any other work. So yeah, if you are looking for a fantastic massager, highly recommend this one.